Using the graph below, complete the table by stating positive or negative. Now, f of x is the actual function itself. So what we're looking at for positive or negative is above or below the x-axis. So when x is less than -2, that's this part of the graph here, we can see that the curve is below the axis. So f of x is negative. It's also negative along that next section and the next section, which has brought us up to here. From 0 to 1.22, it's still below the axis, so it's still negative. That's that bit there. From 1.22 to 3, it is negative. That's this section here. But for x greater than 3, we can see it then goes above the axis. Now, the first differential is the gradient. So if it's sloping upwards, that is positive, and if it's sloping downwards, that is negative. So we have a positive gradient on that section there. On this section here, we have a negative gradient, and the same is true of that bit. Then we get a positive gradient. Then it's positive here, and then it's positive up there. Now, the second derivative is to do with the concavity. So if it's shaped this way, then that is concave down, which means that it's negative. And if it's that way, it's concave up, which means it's positive. So all the way from there until that oblique point of inflection, it is concave down and therefore negative. From the point of inflection all the way around to here, it is concave up, which means positive. It then goes concave down, but then concave up again.